20 Affirmations to have inner peace. Repeat these affirmations each day to help you have more peace in your life. I am at peace with myself. I am constantly focusing on the positive things in life. I am full of joy. I change the things in my life that I can and accept the things I cannot change. I surround myself with peaceful people. I cherish peace over strife in my life. I know that peace of mind is achievable in my life. I decide each day to seek peace in every interaction. I am in control of my emotions. I am in control of my response in every situation. I determine my state of mind. I control my thoughts every moment of each day. I encourage positive self-talk. I make inner peace a priority in my life. I have no place in my life for negativity or discord. I am in control of my life, and I am at constant peace. I remove all anxious thoughts and tendencies from my life. I am at peace with others around me. I am constantly thinking of ways to have more peace in my life. I know that a peaceful mind is my greatest asset in life. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and to share this video. Also, remember to leave a comment below letting us know which affirmation you like best. As always, continue perfecting the art of living well daily. For additional cool tips and freebies, check the description below.